Hi everyone. So today we are presenting another problem from SAT 2024. So the question here is if a minus 4b is equal to 18, what is the value of 3 to the power of a divided by 81 to the power of b? The options are 3 to the power of 18, 3 to the power of 14, 3 to the power of 22, 3 to the power of 12. So yeah, this is quite straightforward. So we can actually express 3a divided by 81b here. 3 to the power of a divided by 3 to the power of 4b, because 81 is actually 3 to the power of 4. So that's the basic trick here. Then we can simplify this equation as 3 to the power of a minus 4b. So we are already given a minus 4b is equal to 18. So we have 3 to the power of a minus 4b is equal to 3 to the power of 18. So the answer is option A, 3 to the power of 18.